Hi, in this tutorial I want to quickly share with you guys how to cut and sew a one-piece collar. If you want to see a detailed tutorial on how I made this shirt, please indicate in the comment section and I will drop the tutorial. If this sounds like what you are interested in learning, please keep on watching and let's get started. While drafting out my shirt dress, the depth of my front neckline was 3 inches and the width 2.5 inches. For the back neckline, I made use of 2.5 inches width and depth of half an inch. So as you can see, I am done joining the shoulders of my shirts and also join the side seam. The next thing I'm going to do is measure around my neckline, as you can see me doing like this. So after I measured it all, I had 19.5 inches. Now on this 19.5 inches, I'm going to use my tape and divide it into 2. Whatever it gives me, I'm going to work with it, okay? So guys, the template I'm working with is a medium gum stay. I'm going to fold it into 2 and then mark out a horizontal line. I'll be placing my tape on the folded part of the medium gum stay and then mark out 9.75 inches, which is my round neck measurement divided by 2. Now after this, I'm going to extend it upwards because we are going to be drafting out at the same time the collar stand and the collar fall. Now after this, I'm going to divide this horizontal line into 2 again, mark out the middle, and after that I'm going to label this side the front and this becomes the back of my collar. Now going over to the front side, I'm going to go up by 1 inch, okay, and then connect it back to the middle of the horizontal line. Now after that, I'm going to determine the height of my collar stand. So I'm making use of 1 inch. I'll go ahead and mark it out like this and then connect with my curve. Now after this, I'm going to, from the upper part, go in by 1 inch, and from the down part, I'm going to go up by half an inch, and then I would connect the points together. Now you guys, this is the collar stand, okay, and it's also called a bishop collar. Now because this is a one-piece collar, we are going to also draft out the collar fall on this same pattern. I hope you guys understand. So I went up by 2.5 inches, which is the height I want for my collar fall, and then connected it to the 1 inch inward. Now going over to the folded side, I also came up by 2.5 inches, and then now you can see I'm trying to connect them together. So guys, as you can see, I am done drafting out my one-piece collar. It is called a one-piece collar because it is the collar stand and the collar fall together in one place, okay? If I'm to cut out a two-piece collar, I'm going to be cutting it out differently. I hope you guys understand. So after this, I'm now going to cut out my pattern, okay? Now you can see I am done cutting it out, and this is what we have. Now I'm going to go ahead and bring in the pieces I'm going to be working with. Now here is my pieces. I'm going to fold it into 2, making sure that the right sides are facing each other and the one facing upward is the wrong part of the fabric. Now on the wrong part of the fabric, I'm going to place in my template and use my pins to hold it. Now I'll be adding half inch all around it. So we are going to be cutting out this, making sure that we left 1/2 inch all around. So guys, as you can see, I am done cutting it out. I will go ahead and fold in the 1/2 inch right at the upper part and then stitch around the collar. Okay, so you can see what I'm showing you. After this, I'm going to go ahead and stitch all around the collar. I am done stitching it, and the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and turn it out to the good side. Now when you are turning it out, please ensure that you use a pointy object to bring out the excess that might be inside, as you can see me doing like this. I've turned it around. I'll move over to my ironing table and give this a good press. After ironing it, the 1/2 inch is going to go inward while the other 1/2 inch is going to come outward. I'll bring in my dress and then give the middle of my neckline a notch. I'll fold my collar into 2 and then notch the middle as well. As you can see, I am done notching the middle of the collar. Now I'll bring in my shirt so that we fix the collar into it. I'm going to be pinning up the collar into the wrong side of my dress because I love to stitch from the wrong side and then top stitch to the front. Now I've matched up the middle. I'm going to match the edges. Okay, so one end of my collar is going to match up with one end of the bottom placket. After doing that for one side, I am repeating the same thing for the other side. Now after pinning it up, I'll move over to the sewing machine and stitch my collar and top stitch. This is the final look of the one-piece collar. It is very simple, you guys, as you can see. So if you found value in this tutorial, please do well to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. Also share this video so that more people can get to see it. I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye.